What's up, folks? My name is Felix. Welcome back to this update about Wolf Capital today. And as you can see in the background, we just crossed the total investments of over 750,000 US dollars. And this is a big milestone for Wolf Capital. And today we want to take a look at the last trading weeks, how the trades went, and also on the overall numbers in the project. At first, let's take a look on the trading profits. And from March 25th to April 1st, they made over 9% in gains on the trading bot portfolio, which equals around 35k. And the trading portfolio is now at 415,000 US dollars, and that's quite a good amount. So we saw a big increase here, a very good trading week. Props to Trav for this. And I like to see those green numbers over the last couple of weeks, especially if we are over 1% a day with those trades. To give you a better picture on how the overall data is going, Moonark displays very good that our deposits in the last 24 hours and also in the last 7 days were green. We had over 70% gain in the last 7 days. And if we take a look at the total value locked of the contract balance, which now increased almost up to 100k, there should be a withdrawal very soon to the trading bot balance, because this is necessary to feed the trading bot balance to trade with the funds to generate more revenue, to lower the Ponzi ratio from the project, which I think is now at around 60-40 to 70-30. So 60 to 70% is covered by those revenue streams and around 30 to 40% is still Ponzi. So still dependent on new deposits coming in. But as we see the project move on week by week, this ratio gets lowered every single week. And if the trades perform that positively as they did last week, we will see a non-Ponzi project probably very soon in the next couple of weeks, especially if the people stick to the stress strategy of 50-50, so only taking out 50% of their profits which they made in the previous week and putting 50% back into the project. That's what I'm also doing. I'm claiming my profits 1 week, and the next week I'm putting my profits back into the platform. As you can see here, that's the reason why I got now 3 stakes. For the first 2 weeks I just withdraw my profits, but as I saw the project going and the trades were very positive, I started to do the 50-50 strategy and will continue doing this. But always want to remind me, and of course also you, to take profits. Don't get too greedy. We see projects going down very fast in this space. And that's why we don't want to be reliable on a single project, like here in this case Wolf Capital, even if the numbers are that good and new deposits coming in, the trades are very well. But there is still a risk involved. At first the Ponzi risk, which I mentioned before. Then also there's this risk with the unstakers on day 60 to around 63. This will be a major milestone to see what the people are doing on those days. As you can see, I started on day 1, so I joined immediately after Wolf Capital launched, and we are now 13 days to day 60. So this will be the day when my stake won with around 700 USDC I initially put in. There was of course this 10% fee, that's why it's only 630, and there I could potentially withdraw my stake and all the other people who jumped in on day 1 as well. And this day and the following days will be kind of stress test for the protocol, because most people in team 1 and team 2 are ROI'd at that point with the 2% we are getting daily right now. And that's why we want to pay attention to what happens on these days. To give you some more insights on the current statistics, you want to jump over to the Dune dashboard. And as we can see, the average ROI of the people is now at over 40%, exactly at 41%. We are 47 days into the project. As I mentioned, on day 60, all day 1 stakers will be able to unstake their initial amount. We can still see a lot of deposits, more deposits than withdrawals right now. So the green bar right here are deposits and the red bar are the withdrawals. And also the wallet growth over the last couple days, where we see around 5 to 10 wallets joining Wolf Capital every single day, is looking very positive. Even more than 10, it's up to 15, up to 20 wallets every single day. And what's also very important for me, which I'm stressing every time, are the top wallets. Those are sticking to the strategy. So we can see some wallets which are around 60-70% of the ROI, but also some which are way lower, around 20 to 40%. So we are still at the average investor's ROI right now, which looks good. Another thing which I wanted to talk about, a protocol which I'm invested in, Speakeasy invested their treasury funds in Wolf Capital, not only in the team of Scott the investor with around 6 BNB, which equals a value of around 2000 USDC. No, they also opened a team for the Speakeasy Wolf Pack with around 4.5k, and that's very bullish in my opinion, that one solid project invests their treasury funds in other solid projects and they work in a way together and support each other. And the last two things I wanted to mention are the current marketing campaigns of Wolf Capital. There will be an AMA today with James Pelton. This AMA is probably already over once you see this video, and the second AMA, which will take place on the 5th of April, will be on G-Day Crypto on Sean Clark's channel if you want to look into this. So Wolf Capital is not leaning back on their marketing efforts. Here on YouTube they are doing a lot of marketing, and also in the real world they purchased some banners, as I can show you, in their Telegram group, which look like this, and can potentially bring in some new investors which are not aware of Wolf Capital right now. So that should do it for today's update video. I hope that gave you a better picture on how Wolf Capital is moving forward and how the numbers are going. If you don't want to miss any updates on this or other potentially promising DeFi projects, you might want to subscribe to my channel. I bring those videos at least every second day. If you like today's video, it would be great if you can hit the like button. That's it. Thanks for watching. Let's get this crypto.